you. I think you heard me a while ago, but I'm trying to pick up that burnt static.
Got a lot of static crashes going on.
Glad you were able to
Losing
get
daylight
the
on the
Thank you, Jim.
on the solar panels.
This is N5JLL, and the Moonlighter's Head. One more call out for RF check-ins and RF check-ins for the Moonlighter's Head. If you'd like to join me, come on aboard.
Kilo Echo Zero Juliet Whiskey Kilo Portable.
KC80. Okay, I got KC80. Oh, and there was a KE4 station. Try it again.
How about Kilo Echo Zero Japan Whiskey Kilowatt Portable?
Stand by. Is anybody pick up? There's a Kilo Echo 4 station, but I just can't get the rest of it.
Kilo Echo 4 station, come back. I wasn't paying any attention.
Well, I think you might be hearing me. It's Kilo Echo Zero Japan Whiskey Kilowatt Portable.
Yeah, Kilowatt Zero Japan Whiskey Romeo, I believe, K5WM. Go ahead, your turn, bud.
Yeah, let's try that again. That's Kilo Echo Zero Juliet Whiskey Kilo, and I'm a portable station. Go ahead.
Yeah, where are you portable at, bud?
I'm about 40 miles southwest of St. Louis, Missouri. Go ahead.
Well, you're doing a good job down here in beautiful southwest Louisiana.
Well, that's very nice to hear. You're all over me up here. You're 5'9". I had net controlled pretty good a while ago, and by the time he got around to taking another check in there, I just about lost him through some static crashes. But yeah, I'm running on an old ICOM 701 set up on a battery and some solar panels, but I've lost sunlight on the panels, so I'm not going to last much longer. Got an old kind of a inverted L makeshift homebrew antenna up here that seems to be doing okay according to you. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, it's doing good. Don't fix nothing on that one. You got it going your way.
All right. Well, I appreciate you taking my call there. I'm going to say 7-3 to you and shut this thing down before I run out of battery.
Okay, good enough. Come back and check with us anytime. We're here 6 nights a week on this frequency. I'll clear with KE0JWK, KE5WM, back to net.
All right. Well, I might catch you inside after a while. Kilo Echo Zero Juliet Whiskey Kilo clear.
Get